Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been quite some time, yeah, I missed you guys. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and the person who has subscribed, thank you for always supporting me. Today I'm going to discuss of COVID-19. Yeah, it has become a world's pandemic, and recently in Kenya we got like 3 cases, and you all know about it. So I was thinking, okay, we are being told wash your hands, clean your hands, sanitize your hands, but we are not putting into consideration in places or counties that don't have water. So I'm going to illustrate how to clean your hands with what you have, like water, the little water you have, how to clean your hands. And if you don't have sanitizers or you don't have liquid soap, these other options. You can use bar soap, you can use the bathing soap. So it's just a simple way of showing you how to do it. I know you've heard a lot of times, clean your hands, as long as you touch any surface. But yeah, let me illustrate for you, because it's good to illustrate what I do when I don't have the sanitizer, because it has become like a rare commodity to find in this country, and it has become so expensive. So the simple ways to keep your hygiene and to avoid COVID-19. And as we are being told many times by health workers and medics, that as long as you feel like you have the common cold, I mean, like you sneeze, like you feel you have symptoms, kindly visit the dispensary near you or the hospital. So yeah, I'm going to show you one thing that is working for me. So yeah. Of my peoples in Turkana, Wajir, Mandera, where you might be claiming there is little water. So there is always a way you can do cleaning of your hands using bucket water, and it's actually what I'm illustrating. As you can see at the moment, I use soap, which is bathing soap. Most of the time we clean our hands thoroughly. We clean our hands faster without even checking where we're cleaning. As you can see, you're supposed to clean thoroughly. Like, how many times do you even concentrate on your palm? How often do you even concentrate on in between your fingers, your thumbnail? As you can see on the clip, I'm showing you how to wash yourself from the back, the frontal, and even in between the fingers, the palm. You scrub. Take your time with your hands. Don't be in a hurry of just holding your soap or touching water, washing your hands and walking off. Take your time with your hands, because the hand is the one which carry a lot of dirt, especially right now when you hold your phone, greet people, hold surfaces. The palm accumulate a lot of dirt. So yeah, take your time. Don't be in a hurry. You're supposed to use tap water, but now kama kwenye kuna maji, there's always another means of using bucket water. As you're washing your hands, make sure the water you're washing, unatoa soap nayo, you pour out of the bucket so that it doesn't take back for someone else to use that water. Anyway, recommended work is you use running water, but kuna maji, so don't give excuses that you can't wash your hands. There's always other options. Anyway, thank you for watching. Let's avoid COVID-19, and please subscribe, share, and comment, and tell me how you're hacking in places where there's no water. Bye.